Hello everyone, welcome to the BTS Update channel. On this day, October 6th, we are greeted with exciting news from the world of K-pop. Jungkook, one of the famous members of the boy band BTS, departed for Los Angeles for an international schedule. As usual, Jungkook's departure did not escape the media spotlight and the devoted K-Net's followers, who always keep a close eye on his activities. What drew the most attention this time was Jungkook's effortlessly stylish appearance. He wore oversized black pants for a casual touch, paired with a simple yet cool white t-shirt. However, what made a significant difference was the denim jacket that completed his look this time. The denim jacket added an extra layer to his plain shirt, creating a trendy style. Not to forget, Jungkook donned a black cap that added an edgy touch to his appearance, along with the backpack that always accompanies him on his journeys. But what truly caught fans' attention was Jungkook's new haircut. Yes, this time Jungkook sported a different hairstyle. His fresh and stylish short haircut added to his allure. Fans immediately began to wonder what prompted Jungkook to change his hairstyle. It turns out this mystery leads us to a special friendship story. Netizens couldn't hide their curiosity and started speculating that this change might have been inspired by Mingyu from 17, who is a close friend of Jungkook. Mingyu of 17 had previously decided to cut his hair, creating a buzz in the K-pop world. Their friendship is widely known among fans, and many believe that this change is Jungkook's way of showing support to his friend. The friendship between Jungkook and Mingyu is no secret. They are often seen hanging out together off stage and sharing joyful moments. Despite the intergroup competition, they have proven that friendship in the K-pop industry can be very strong. Jungkook's action of cutting his hair, if indeed inspired by Mingyu, is a real example of support and solid friendship among K-pop members. Fans from both sides are excited about this change. They see it as a sign of deep friendship and an inspiration to many. Jungkook and Mingyu, two big stars in the K-pop industry, remind us that behind the spotlight and fame, there are genuine friendships and support among colleagues. Fans of Jungkook and Mingyu can't wait to see how this change will affect their future appearances and music styles. Whatever the reason, one thing is for sure: this change has brought smiles to many and reminds us of the true meaning of friendship in the competitive world of entertainment. So, while we see Jungkook of BTS with a fresh haircut and increasingly stylish fashion, what's more profound is the message of friendship and support he brings with him. This is a heartwarming and inspiring story that resonates with people around the world, reminding us that behind the glamorous stage, there are strong bonds among the K-pop stars we always love and support.